In today's demonstration, you are going to see how your enterprise teams can easily search for and find product information so they can make better product decisions. These 8 PTC Navigate View apps are easy to use, require no training, and deliver the product data your enterprise users need. Let's start with the View Drawing app. Each of these apps allow the user to input a full or partial part number to execute their search. They also have tabs to show recently viewed drawings, and the Results tab will show the matching results from the executed search. In this example, I will enter a partial part number to search for. As you can see, I have numerous matches presented to me with tiles of information that indicate the name, number, version, and state of the matching parts. By selecting on the part tile that I want to view the drawing of, the app will deliver the PDF representation of the drawing that was published in Windchill as a secondary representation. Simple configuration of the Windchill publishing rules allow for other types of formats to be created as well. For more details on how to configure these rules in Windchill, reach out to your local PTC contact. Now that I have viewed the drawing for this assembly, I am left at the Part Details page, where I can simply select on any of the other available part-based apps to get more information on this product. Using the shortcuts, I can quickly toggle to the View Part Structure app, View Parts List app, View Part Properties, 3D View, and Measure, as well as the View Design Files app, without having to go back to the home screen and execute another search. Using the View Part Structure app, I have access to the 3D Creo View representation in the lower left-hand corner and an indented bill of materials in the lower right-hand corner. Selecting a component from either the bill of materials or the Creo View representation will cross-highlight the corresponding item to help the user identify the component and present specific information about the selected component in the upper right-hand corner. Navigating to the View Parts List app provides the user with a flattened parts list. The column headers allow you to sort the table by any of the available attributes. This last Drawing column provides you with quick access to the drawing for the selected component. Clicking on the View action will open up the PDF drawing representation of this component. In order to quickly change the context of the apps, I can select the link available on the number of selected part, and we will use this to show you what the other available apps provide. Let's transition over to the View Part Properties to see other additional attributes that can be configured to be displayed for any part. The View and Measure in 3D app provides the user the ability to view, measure, and mark up the 3D representation of the model using Creo View. Here are a few examples of using the markup tools to convey feedback to the engineer in the form of comments. You can extract the bounding box info quickly and easily, as well as take some measurements and determine where the center of gravity is for the part, and other summary info. The last app in this collection is the View Design Files app, which allows the user to download neutral files such as STEP and IGES. The creation of the neutral data can be configured to automatically generate during the publishing of the viewables on the Windchill side when the native Creo models get checked in. This top collection of 6 apps can be tailored by an administrator using this simple UI. For example, the number of search results displayed can be limited, as well as the recently accessed results. If you only manage CAD models and drawings and do not use WT parts in Windchill, you can simply select this checkbox to search on CAD documents in Windchill. You can define the attribute values to allow the user to search against and enable additional selection filters. In this example, we can define a saved Windchill search to use as a filtering mechanism for the search results. This saved search will filter the search results to the latest revision and iteration of a part in the EBOM view that is released with the source attribute set to by. Now, let's execute the same search we did previously to see the difference in the results. Now I'm only getting back 2 matching results based on the additional criteria that was used by tailoring the app to leverage the saved search in Windchill. Similar to using the saved search, I can define a search filter in the app tailoring that will only show the latest released version of a part in a specific view. Executing the search again will provide results that only display the latest release version of the parts that match the criteria. For the users that need to access documents that are managed in Windchill, they can use the View Document app. This app will allow the user to search for a document based on the name or number of the document. Simply enter the full or partial name or number to execute the search. The results will display a similar tile to select which document you would like to view. You can choose to download the native content or the representation that may be available. The View Document app is tailorable as well in a similar fashion to what I showed you for the other app earlier. In this case, we will apply a saved search criteria defined in Windchill that will filter the results based on the date the doc was last modified and get the latest version and iteration of only content that is PDF. Executing the same search, I'm only returned 1 result. The last app provides the end user with a view into requirements that are authored and managed in PTC Integrity. Simply by entering in the Integrity Document ID, I can review the entire requirements document. I have a sections view and the ability to search for keywords in the context of the requirements document if I am looking for something specific. Thanks for your time today to learn more about how PTC Navigate View can help your enterprise users make better product decisions by allowing them quick and easy access to your product information.